Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your first and last columns are side by side. This speeds formulas. Remove leading or trailing spaces with trim on a copy column so raw data stays intact. Once done, check capitalization with proper if needed to make results readable. Create a full name column to the right now. You will write the combining formula there. Don't pause to reformat later. Correct small inconsistencies now so formulas behave predictably. You'll enter the join formula in the full name column and copy it down. For quick joins, type equals A2 and B2, then press enter and drag the fill handle. This concatenates first and last with a space. If some parts are blank, wrap with trim to remove extra spaces. For lists with more parts, use text join, true, A2, C2 to ignore empty cells. Make sure formulas reference correct rows, then convert to values to lock results. After combining, convert formulas to static text by copying the full name column and using paste special right arrow values. This prevents accidental changes. If entries look wrong, use conditional formatting to highlight blanks or mismatch cases, then filter to inspect. For duplicates, run remove duplicates or use unique to create a clean list. If you still see extra spaces or stray characters, reapply trim and clean on the source columns and rejoin. This fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.